Hey everybody, we've got a great video for you today because we have two forms of off-roaders, the 1970s version and the brand new version. That's right, it's Baja Bug versus side-by-side, and in this video, we're gonna find out which one is best in the mud.
So this is my 1974 Volkswagen Beetle that has been Baja'd. And by Bajaing, it has had a whole mess of modifications, also a ton to the engine. This is putting out probably double the amount of horsepower that a stock Beetle does. And this vehicle has been down for the count for a while because, well, it needed a clutch. And I just put a brand new one in, and what better way to break in my new clutch than doing some mudding and off-roading?
And representing the modern day of off-roading, we've got this Honda Pioneer side-by-side. This is the 1000 Trail Edition. It's powered by a 999cc engine with a dual clutch transmission and 72 raging horsepower. So we've got a number of challenges here in the Onyx Off-Road On-Race pit course. This is the first one. It's called trenches. So it's these offset grooves dug into the dirt, which is a great test of like lockers and the like. But it's super muddy today, so I'm gonna go first, and then we can watch Brendan attempt to get his junk up it. Now a big thank you to Revzilla for providing all the gear out here today. Very kind of them. Now Andre's pit is exceptionally muddy, and this is like prehistoric ooze out here. It is beyond muddy. So Brendan's gonna have quite the time getting up, but I'm gonna start this test in two-wheel drive. I'm not gonna try to take it fast. The goal is to go nice and slow to see if we get stuck. But it's not it's not looking good today. Oh yeah. And this is on mud tires in this side-by-side. Oh, it is slipping all over. He's looking at me. He's like, what did I get into? Okay, time to go into four-wheel drive. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the performance in four-wheel drive. The way it just claws at the ground. Oh, yes. How are you feeling?
I'm a little nervous. I mean, that was pretty, uneventful going up. Mine's going to be a little more exciting, but a lot less successful, I think.
Not with that attitude. All right, let's see what happens.
This is a very muddy day out here. It's almost like we're filming out in UK or Ireland or something. Yeah, and my turning radius isn't great either with these giant tires on here. All right, getting lined up for trenches. Oh God, there's like a pond in there. I'm gonna give this the best effort I've got. Whoa, look at that! No. Oh, hey, I made it further than I thought I would. Can I back down? Oh, look at that! Look at that! Yeah! I made it!
Next up we have our logs course. It's a steep descent down these slippery logs, and then we got to come back up them too. Now I chose this on purpose because it's very rough, and I think Brendan's gonna have quite the time going down log. Oh, look at that! What an absolute beauty! Nice and maneuverable in this thing. All right, let's see if we can get back up it. Gonna go into low. Tires are all muddy, which is why this is gonna be such a challenge. Come on, side by side. Oh yeah. Look at that. What a little beast.
Not too terribly concerned with going downhill, but I am concerned with my turning radius of being able to get turned around in this. Now this is a 70s vehicle, and it's got a little bit of rust, so I don't want to go too crazy here. Let's get down and see. Oh, oh God. Oh, it's rough. Oh, things are cracking. Oh, that might have been my back there. Oh, okay. All right, yep, made it down. Come on, Beetle. Now, Tommy doesn't think I'm gonna make it up, and I'll be surprised if I do, but I'm gonna give it my best shot. No! Oh. All right, let's go down, give it a little more momentum, and try again. God, it is so muddy. All right. Nope. I just cannot get enough momentum with all this mud. Going way far back this time. If it doesn't make it here, I'm calling it. But come on, Beetle. Oh, no. It is just too muddy today. It is not happening. Bummer. Oh well.
All right, Brendan. So we have our first ever TFL Rallycross course.
This should be fun. It's going to be a very, very muddy rallycross course.
Oh, that's right, yes.
Yeah.
But we're going to see which one is quicker and which one is more fun. So I'm going to go first in the Pioneer. Give your phone to time me.
Yeah, I can time you.
All right, we'll make this a little competition.
Well, and here's the thing. I want you to stop right here between our Onyx off-road sign.
I have to stop here.
You have to stop here. So you can't blow through this and go down back into Andre's pit.
Okay.
You have to actually stop between the signs.
All right, I'll give it a go, Brendan.
In 3, 2, 1, go.
Come on, four-wheel drive. Now this Pioneer has that dual clutch, which is really great for high-speed stuff. Makes it a ton of fun. We're gonna go through Andre's pit here, and then up through the holes course. Oh, pretty good ride quality too, actually. Leaving it in second. Hard on the accelerator. Upshifting into third. Good power. Oh, we're just shooting mud everywhere.
Yeah, I might have a better top speed, but he's got four-wheel drive. Although, do you think he's got it in four-wheel drive?
I bet he does.
You gotta go around these telephone poles twice. Really good turning radius. Great grip out of these tires. These are a little narrow though. I don't want to roll it over.
Well, he hasn't flipped it yet. That's pretty good.
Yeah. Well, he's taking those turns very gingerly. So he's making sure not to break anything as he comes down.
Little squirrely, but four-wheel drive is keeping me nice and secure.
All right, let's get out of his way. Here he comes. Around the turn. Oh, a little fish's tail there. And a hard right. Oh, look at that. And stop.
Not a great finish, Brendan.
Hey, you stopped between the poles.
How was my time?
You did it in a 1:47.84.
Wow.
So I have no idea if that's good or not.
That's good.
Is it?
I bet
Okay.
it's good. All right, Brendan, are you ready to try to beat me?
Yeah, I'm ready. Let me make sure everything is secured in here. It's gonna all go flying as soon as I get up.
All right, are you ready?
All right.
3, 2, 1. Okay.
Whoa, whoa. Gosh, this is like driving on. Oh. This is like driving on slicks. Hard on the brakes before the dip. Oh, back into first. Much nicer turn there. Boy, these rocks are tough. Oh, Millie. It's like I'm getting sandblasted. Oh, there's the cone. And the second cone. 1:47.81. I literally beat you by 0.03 of a second.
You were hauling ass, Brendan.
I was giving it everything I could in this.
You did a good work. You did a good work.
Thanks.
Well, Brendan, I have to say, I was expecting to cream you, but you had a lot of fun out there and you did really well.
Yeah, I mean, you beat me on logs, right? I couldn't make it up logs. Maybe if it was a drier day and the mud wasn't caked on these tires as much as it is right now, I probably could have made it up logs, but holy cow, that was a lot of fun. And I gotta say, for $5,000, it's kind of hard to beat off-road, man.
Yeah, I mean, you know, the side-by-side is going to be 5 times as much. It's going to be more capable. Your wife's probably going to like it a little bit more.
Yep,
but you definitely had a lot of fun. Guys, thank you so much for joining us. But before we close, I want to bring in a really special guest who's got a fantastic organization. All right, folks, so I'm here with Brendan. And Brendan, who are you with?
I'm with Shift Colorado Magazine. We are a local, or a hyper-local, enthusiast-driven car content magazine.
Yeah, what I love about these guys is that they focus on some of the coolest communities within Colorado here. They focus on some of the coolest stories, and for some reason they're out here doing a little profile with us.
You made the list.
Just made the list. So if folks want to subscribe to the magazine, learn more about it, where can they go?
Absolutely. We are at shiftcoloradomagazine.com, new website. You can find our old issues on coloradocarsandcoffee.com/shift. And you can also join us on the Colorado Cars and Coffee Facebook page, where you can learn more about what we cover, what we're up to, and maybe be a part of our magazine.
Yeah, for sure. And we're going to be more involved with these guys because they're a great part of the community. They have some really great riders on staff behind you, which you can't see. But dude, thanks for coming by.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah, I really appreciate it.